In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com commodities. We'll walk through the exact steps to access the commodities market on the platform and place a trade with clarity and confidence. By the end, you'll know how to navigate to commodities, open a chart, choose buy or sell, set your trade size, and add a stop loss and take profit before placing the trade. Start by opening the commodities market. On the platform or app, head to the main market section where all instruments are grouped. If you're prompted, log into your account using your usual credentials so you can place and manage trades. Once you're in, go to Browse Markets. This is your directory for finding different asset classes. From here, select commodities. You'll see popular markets like gold, silver, oil, and others, each with real-time pricing and the option to drill into details. Next, open the chart. Click the commodity you want to explore, for example gold, to bring up its full chart. Take a moment to review the price action and time frame so you understand what the market has been doing. You can glance at recent highs and lows for context and make sure the instrument, contract month, and pricing units are what you expect. When you're ready, click Buy or Sell. Choose Buy if you think the price will rise, or Sell if you think it will fall. This brings up the trade ticket where you'll enter the key details. First, enter your trade size. This defines how large your position will be, so confirm the unit conventions for the commodity you're trading and make sure the size aligns with your risk tolerance and available margin. Next, add a stop loss. This is your protective exit if the market moves against you. Set a level that reflects the chart structure and your risk plan, not just a random distance. Then enter your take profit. This is where you want to capture gains if price reaches your target. Aim for a level that makes sense with your analysis and provides a reasonable risk-to-reward balance. Before you finalize, review everything on the ticket: direction, trade size, stop loss, and take profit. Small adjustments here can make a big difference. When everything looks right, click Place Trade. The order will be submitted, and you'll see confirmation on the platform along with your open position. That's the full flow. Open the commodities market, log in, go to Browse Markets, select commodities, open the chart, choose your commodity, click Buy or Sell, enter trade size, stop loss, and take profit, then click Place Trade.